According to an annual wealth report by Credit Suisse, last year saw 5.2 million new millionaires worldwide, with 2.5 of them right here in the United States. Were you one of those lucky few? Chances are you weren't, but don't let that dampen your spirits. Even if last year didn't catapult you into millionaire status, isn't the idea of transforming your financial standing from zero to hero something you dream of? Absolutely, and that's precisely the reason you're here right now. As you may already know, the journey to getting rich isn't easy. To make it, you must let go of some old habits and beliefs that are dragging you down. Today, we're diving into 5 things you must let go to become a millionaire. Brace yourselves, we're about to drop some serious truth bombs. We'll confront the demons of negative self-talk, dismantle the walls of limiting beliefs, and navigate through the myriad of obstacles that lie in wait on your journey to financial freedom. So, are you ready to liberate yourself from these constraints and secure your spot in the Millionaire Club? If so, then sit back, relax, and let's get started. Welcome to Blue Chip Mindset, the winning mindset for success. If you enjoy the video or learn something new, please give it a like. Number 1, fear of failing. It's perfectly natural to fear failure. It's part of being human. Nobody wants to be viewed as a failure. You might even have friends or family reminding you that you should have chosen a different path, suggesting that not listening to them is the reason you failed. And sure, failing can make you feel small in front of others. But here's the thing, failure is an essential part of life. Think back to when you were a child learning to walk. It didn't happen overnight. You fell down hundreds of times before you got the hang of it. But do you remember all those times you fell? Probably not. And that's because failure is just a step along the way to success, no matter what you're trying to achieve. This journey of ups and downs teaches resilience, grit, and the true value of perseverance. Each misstep offers invaluable lessons, shaping you into a stronger, more capable individual, ready to face whatever comes next with confidence and determination. Basketball legend Michael Jordan once put it perfectly. He said, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and I missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." Number 2, chasing perfectionism. One of the main habits that hold intelligent and talented people back from reaching their potential is the pursuit of perfection. The fear of criticism and what others may think cause individuals to wait until their work is perfect before putting it out into the world. Life is designed to be a learning experience in which individuals try, fail, and learn from their mistakes before trying again. It's important to understand that being perfect from the start is impossible. For example, when I started making videos on another channel, I had no idea how bad they really were until months later. To be totally honest, they sucked. Especially the audio. It was almost unlistenable. But I continued working on them, slightly improving with each video. After making around 30 or so, the quality improved to a point where I no longer wanted to throw myself out a window while watching and listening to them. And hopefully, you don't feel that way while watching and listening to this one, and may even tap the like button and subscribe to the channel instead. Perfectionism can also hinder an individual's ability to delegate work to others. They may believe that no one cares about their work as much as they do, causing them to try and control everything themselves, slowing down progress. But time is money, and almost nobody ever got rich by not delegating tasks to others. Millionaires know this, which is why they constantly leverage other people's time and skills. Number 3, low self-esteem. Many of us grapple with self-doubt, which seriously undermines our self-esteem. Self-esteem is crucial because it fundamentally shapes our perception of our worth. Believing you're destined for mediocrity makes aiming high feel more like a pipe dream. Your self-view is the game changer here. Overcome a tough past? Flunked a class, lost a job, or had your heart broken? Join the club. The key lies in trusting yourself and embracing the belief that you're destined for greatness. In truth, many who've achieved greatness were once in shoes similar to yours. Only a handful are born with extraordinary abilities. The rest of us make our mark by seizing opportunities, now more accessible than ever thanks to the digital world. Your background doesn't dictate your future, your determination does. Commit to the effort and the sky's the limit. Embrace self-belief. You might astonish yourself with your capabilities and the heights you can reach. Remember, the journey to success is paved with lessons from every failure, every rejection, and every setback. Each one teaches resilience, hones your focus, and builds the tenacity needed to achieve your dreams. Number 4. Comparison trap. Have you ever felt green with envy over that friend who always seems to be jetting off on exotic getaways? Suddenly, your cozy vacations seem downright dull in comparison. But here's the thing, diving headfirst into that comparison trap is a surefire way to derail your own journey to financial freedom. It's all too easy to get hooked on trying to keep pace with everyone else, coveting their latest tech gadgets, new cars, or other lifestyle choices. Yet, splurging to match their lifestyle might not be the best move for your financial health. Remember, your journey is yours alone, filled with personal circumstances, talents, and skills that no one else has. Trying to mimic someone else's route to success often spells disaster. Besides, constantly measuring your life against others can stir up feelings of jealousy and resentment. This not only muddies your thinking, but can also push you toward making financial choices that don't make sense for you. Focus on your path, leveraging your unique strengths and opportunities, and steer clear of the comparison game. It's about crafting a life and financial plan tailored to you, ensuring you make decisions that align with your goals, not someone else's perceived success. Number 5. Complaining constantly. The world is full of two kinds of people, complainers and go-getters. Complainers, or reactive people, have a knack for pointing fingers at everything but themselves, including other people, their luck, their skin color, their upbringing, the current or past president, or just about anything they perceive as beyond their control. It's the take no accountability for anything ever attitude. They often feel like victims and see themselves as helpless to change their situation. By blaming external factors, reactive people can avoid taking responsibility for their own actions and behaviors. When you come across these people, and trust me, you will, turn 180 degrees in the opposite direction and run away as fast as you can. Your future self will thank you later. Sticking around a reactive mindset can hold you back, keeping you fixated on the uncontrollable instead of paving your own way forward. Go-getters, or proactive people, see the hurdles but zero in on busting through them. They don't waste time moaning or having grown-up tantrums. Whether it's by enhancing their knowledge, developing new skills, moving to another location, or starting new projects, they're always moving forward. By focusing on what they can control, these proactive souls forge their own paths, navigating around any obstacle life throws their way. Their journey is a testament to resilience and a constant pursuit of personal growth and achievement. Embracing challenges as opportunities, they transform potential setbacks into stepping stones toward success, illustrating that every goal is within reach with the right mindset, even becoming a millionaire. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Until next time.